Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 1 or 2 green chilies, slit lengthwise, optional, 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, beans, etc. Whole spices, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil or ghee, clarified butter. Chop cilantro leaves for garnishing, optional. Instructions: 1. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. 1. Soak the rice in water for about 20 minutes, then drain and set aside. 2. Heat oil or ghee in a large pot or pan over medium heat. 2. Add the whole spices, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, bay leaf, and cumin seeds. 2. Sauté for a minute until the spices release their aroma. 3. Add the sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. 4. Stir in the minced garlic, grated ginger, and slit green chilies. 4. Sauté for a minute until fragrant. 5. Add the mixed vegetables and sauté for a few minutes until they are partially cooked. 6. Sprinkle turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and salt over the vegetables. 6. Mix well to coat the vegetables with the spices. 7. Add the drained basmati rice to the pot and gently stir to combine it with the vegetables and spices. 8. Pour in 3.5 to 4 cups of water, depending on how fluffy you want your rice. 8. The ratio is usually 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice. 9. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. 9. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the water is absorbed. 10. Once the pulao is cooked, turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes, covered. 11. Fluff the rice gently with a fork, and garnish with chopped cilantro leaves, if desired. 12. Serve the pulao hot with raita, yogurt dip, pickle, or any curry of your choice. Note: you can customize the pulao by adding cooked chicken, shrimp, or any other protein of your choice along with the vegetables. Additionally, you can add spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, or chili powder to enhance the flavor according to your taste preferences.